Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you January nail art design step by step guide. Girl's best friend, and with this bright funky design you can show off their true sparkle in January 2023. Start your design. Let's talk to start your art design. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with yellow and nail polish. Using a nail art brush and bright white nail polish, create these stripes varying thickness on your nails. Step number 2, repeat the previous step with the bright blue nail polish. Step number 3, using nail art brush and bright white nail polish, create more beautiful your design. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, draw a diamond shapes in the center of the thumb and bright fingernails and fill in it. Using a nail art brush and black nail polish. Step number 5. Let's talk to step number 6. Using this same tool and nail polish and details by creating lines and small triangles. Use the artificial diamond on your nails and stick it all these small diamonds on your nail with the glue and nail stick as well. Replicate the sides of the precious stone. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. January is starting and everybody wants to look beautiful and gorgeous. So this beautiful diamond January nail art design, you look obviously great and beautiful. If you like my efforts and video and my tutorial, please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends as well. If you have any query, please comment me below in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video.